which European country was the programming language Python created? A. Netherlands. B. United Kingdom. C. Belgium. A. Netherlands. Which Finnish company is known for its mobile phones and telecommunications equipment? A. Ericsson. B. Nokia. C. Siemens. B. Nokia. Where is the European Space Research Organization located? A. Paris. B. Berlin. C. Darmstadt. A. Paris. Who is the co-founder and CEO of the social media platform Spotify? A. Mark Zuckerberg. B. Daniel Ek. C. Jack Dorsey. B. Daniel Ek. In which European city is the headquarters of the European Organization for Nuclear Research? A. Geneva. B. Vienna. C. Brussels. A. Geneva. Which Swedish company is the largest producer of ball bearings in the world? A. Volvo. B. Ericsson. C. SKF. C. SKF. In which country was the first computer mouse invented? A. Sweden. B. Switzerland. C. Norway. B. Switzerland. What is the name of the European space probe that made history by landing on a comet in 2014? A. Rosetta. B. Philae. C. Galileo. B. Philae. Which European country is known for its advancements in wind energy, particularly offshore wind farms? A. Denmark. B. Norway. C. The United Kingdom. C. The United Kingdom. What is the name of the Large Particle Physics Laboratory located near Geneva, Switzerland? A. CERN. B. ESA. C. ITER. A. CERN. What is the name of the European satellite navigation system designed to rival GPS? A. GLONASS. B. Galileo. C. Beidou. B. Galileo. In which European city is the European Space Research and Technology Center located? A. Paris. B. Norwich. C. Munich. B. Norwich. What is the primary language used for programming in the Linux operating system? A. C. B. Java. C. Python. A. C. The co-founder of the Finnish company Nokia, which was once a leading mobile phone manufacturer. A. Jorma Ollila. B. Risto Siilasmaa. C. Fredrik Idestam. C. Fredrik Idestam. In which year did the World Wide Web become publicly accessible, marking the beginning of the Internet era? A. 1989. B. 1991. C. 1995. B. 1991.